Hello, I'm Peter Towers, Managing Director of BIZTOOls. Welcome to Accountants Minute for the 1st of October 2021. Yes, the first 3 months of the new financial year have ended. So we've only got 9 months left of this financial year to implement strategies for 2021-22. And today I want to talk to you about tools to create opportunities, because we're coming to the time in the year where it would appear that at long last, a lot of these disruptions to business caused through COVID-19 lockdowns are going to be phased out. And that's great news for the business community. And it will present tremendous opportunities for the accountants who grasp this opportunity of assisting clients to navigate what will still be significant challenges over the next few years in the aftermath of COVID-19. Today, I'm happy to announce that BIZTOOls has developed a new package to make it very simple for accountants to get into this concept of offering business advisory services to your clients, to introduce a fantastic diversification service. This is a 7-package tools to create opportunities, which comprises 4 permanent components of material which we believe is very important for you if you're going to deliver effective business advisory services to your clients. This list includes training package, which is very desirable to get your team ready so they understand the concepts of business advisory service. The Business Plus, which is our monthly newsletter, which we write, you badge, and you send to your clients. This is a marketing tool for you, but a mentoring package for your clients, because it discusses issues that many of them will not be familiar with, but hopefully some of them will say that was great because it helped them better understand. The SME needs analysis is the most important component of the whole of the BIZTOOls product offerings, I think, because it gives you some points to discuss with a client over a cup of coffee or a glass of wine, if you wish, to get an understanding of what's worrying your client. Is it the key performance indicators that the team don't understand? Is it the debtors days outstanding figure? Is it the future cash flow projections not being accurate enough? Does the client want to scale up to take a business from a current $1 or $2 million turnover to maybe $5 or $6 million in 3 to 4 years' time, and needs strong guidance as to all of the problems? So that's what's included in the 4 standing products, as well as 343 papers on various matters, in fact 60 different headings that you can badge and send those clients that you think need additional information, one of these or 2 or 3 of these papers, which will be badged with your firm name on them. So the clients receive them from you as part of the ongoing mentoring service. And then you have the opportunity to select 3 additional packages that you can then turn into earning fees for your firm. And you have a selection of 22 packages from which to select. And your investment for 12 months for this package is $795, including GST. This package will really get you started in the delivery of business advisory services. Obviously, if you want all of our services, and there's over 30 packages, you can still subscribe for our advanced package or our starter package. But this special package, which we're launching on the 1st of October to help you'd be able to deliver services as we start to come out of lockdowns and the problems that lockdowns are causing throughout Australia. If you want to get started in this activity, I think this package is what you need to start the journey. Then you can upgrade your packages later on. In this edition of Accountant's Minute, we also talk about the 2 outstanding webinars that we had this week, and you can link to those webinar recordings. We had Mark Holton, a director of Smith Inc., talk about the implementation of business advisory services as a major diversification activity that accountants can undertake. And you can listen to what Mark and I had to discuss in that webinar presentation. And then only a couple of days ago, we had the accounting industry guru for Australia, Andrew Geddes, one of the joint founders of the Financial Management Research Centre at the University of New England, and for the last 10 years, the chair of an ASX Top 200 company, Green Cross. Green Cross is a fantastic case study on scaling up, because Andrew Geddes originally gave advice to Dr. Glenn Richards, the CEO of Green Cross, 30 years ago. And then Andrew worked with Glenn through all those years on guiding them on the implementation process. So much that Green Cross ended up with over 250 veterinary surgery businesses all over Australia. 30 years ago, there was only one. And they also ended up with over 220 pet food stores around Australia. And 30 years ago, there was 0. A great example of scaling up. But you don't have to scale up as big as that if you want to have it a smaller component. If your client doesn't want to be a listed public company, the scaling up process might be going from a current turnover of $1 million to 3 or 4, maybe $5 million in the next 2 to 3 years. That might suit the client's thoughts, their tolerance of risk, and all the extra pressures that a growing business can bring to you. Why not think about it? Please listen to the recording of the webinar presentation that I had with Andrew Geddes. If you listen to nothing else in the next month, I would really recommend that this is the video to listen to, because Andrew Geddes, in his very straightforward manner, has given you a blueprint for how you can go about identifying opportunities for scaling up with your current clients, and then how to go about implementing it with them. So thank you very much for your interest in looking at our products. We hope that you will be inspired to subscribe for our Tools to Create Opportunities package for an investment of only $795, including GST. Stay safe and have a great weekend. Goodbye.